Dear guests, welcome to Workshop of Photonics. My name is Thomas Gelchis, Head of Sales, and today I would like to tell you more about our company. We deliver innovative and precise and effective femtosecond laser micromachining technology and solutions, enabling you to reach best results. Our journey has started in 2003 when extensive research in the field of femtosecond laser micromachining has begun. Since the beginning, we are continually investing in research, striving for the best possible solutions to solve our customers' tasks. Today, we feel confident regarding results which we can offer you with our femtosecond laser micromachining systems. Here's what we can offer: fully integrated services from idea to proof of concept. Our team of professionals will investigate your task, test it in our laboratory, and come back with the best possible solution. The outcome of this stage is the physical example of your prototype. When a concept is ready and the prototype has been approved, the small series of your product might be required for validation. For that purposes, we offer the small series up to the several thousand units per month. We do not limit ourselves, as individual needs can be personally discussed. After we find a solution, you may decide to own a laser workstation for your application and organize production in your facilities. We will develop, produce, and install it at your place. Last but not least is support. Our team will guide you through the process and after. Our exceptional expertise technologies: glass and sapphire cutting, tempered and not tempered glass, free-form cutting, the auto contours, and some holes are made in a driveway. For precision holes, we recommended laser-induced wet etching option. Micro drilling, all types of materials, from glass to ceramics and metals. Use techniques are from percussion to ablation by proprietary trepanning. We have performed with glasses, semiconductors, ceramics, metals, depending on the shape and size. We can offer and wet etching with aspect ratio more than several hundreds. Volume modifications. We use modification of refractive index or inscribing self-organized nanostructures, which act as a birefringent elements of micrometer size. It allows us to make fiber Bragg gratings, space variant wave plates, also waveguides in the bulk of workpiece. This method allows us manufacturing optical elements for various purposes. Laser ablation and welding. Our methodology allows us to ablate, for instance, grooves or blind holes with perpendicular walls and smooth bottom surfaces. We have done this in plastic, metal, glass, ceramics. If you want us to have these grooves closed, you can cover them with glass. Our master welding technology allows us to weld different types of glass and glass to metals during the shear test. The strength of the weld was the same as the welded materials. For example, the welded material was breaking off more frequently when the weld itself. MPP, also among our technologies, which is this micro nano 3D printing by means of multiphoton polymerization, which allows us to create features size of down to 100 nanometers, up to centimeter. Now, you might ask me, why glass? I would like to point out some of glass advantages. Regarding electrical properties, glass as a material is similar to ceramics. It is bioneutral material, which can be processed very accurately. Our glass micromachining services can be useful for fast and high quality prototyping. We want to pay special attention to glass processing technologies and products by suggesting whether the glass as material could replace the materials you currently use. And now let me point out some industries where our technologies could be applicable and high trending. Biotech. As mentioned before, glass is bioneutral material applicable for biotech purposes. Before any mass production with plastics, we offer fast prototyping from glass to achieve the desired features of your device. You can see some of our examples on the screen. Especially, we are very proud of cell probe with submicron dimensions. Microfluidic cells can be delivered as one feature layer, ready for bonding or lamination. Also, these can be provided as a welded sandwich from several glass layers. The next industry which I would like to represent you today, semiconductors. On the slide, you can see some of what we supply today. Glass carrier wafers, probe card guide plates, spacers of ultra-high precision and density of features. This particular example comprises 3 million holes through 200 millimeter diameter and 0.5 millimeter thick wafer. Wafers are ready for bonding because of extremely sharp edges of the holes and from little to none damage to surfaces. Therefore, sensors, along with the well-known conventional FBG sensors, WOP uses its precise machining of the fibers to produce sensors for specific purposes. For instance, fiber with a line of wires through the core is used for gas sensing by means of spectral analysis of the gases passing these wires. Similar, but more complicated sensor was made by drilling wires in the form of cylindrical lenses. This again was used for spectral analysis of the content of the wire. We proudly would like to announce that we have solution for all materials. We will present you technologies which can process any material because no one can resist against the femtoseconds. Especially, we would like to invite representatives of the semiconductor, microelectronics, and biomedical industry. Here you can see some names who is using our services. Thank you for your attention, and I'm looking forward to meet you personally. Therefore, if you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.